Everyone, on behalf of Deep Geeks, I welcome you all here. Here is our team, consists of Khoshal, Zenat, Sidra, and Jawad. The challenge we were given was to develop a statistical model that can predict the number of opioid overdoses in a given state in a given time frame. The data was provided from the DST and the source was CDC. So once we once we got the data, we performed a pre-processing step on data, which was to do one hot coding to change the data type from object type to float type that can later be used in statistical model, and B, since our data has a lot of outliers, we perform data normalization. Once data processing was done, we implemented our statistical models on the data, and the predictions were seen on the Python code. Once that process was done, we also connected our data to web portal on Amazon Web Service for visualization purposes. As you can see here, this is our chart here, and if I clicked on different checkboxes, for example, heroin data, overdoses, methadone overdoses, and other opioid overdoses, and see a number of deaths as well, you can see a dynamic chart here of the US states, and if I bring my cursor on any state, it will tell me the data value which consists of the opioid overdoses cases in this state. You can also dynamically visualize these data for different years. The data is also presented in a tabular form, which you can see here. For example, in a given state, for example, in Connecticut in year 2017, there were 925 total. We also collected Twitter data for on the basis of keywords like opioid epidemics, stop opioid OD, stuff like that, to see which are the top 5 most trending states in which opioid overdose in been trending. And we have seen this, we have presented this in a graph here. These are the top 5 states in US where opioid overdose is trending. For example, Texas, California, Pennsylvania, New York, and Washington. We also have a question section here where the most frequently asked questions are answered here, but you are more than welcome to ask any question you may have.